Hi, my name is Matthew Maddox. I'm an attorney here in New Canaan, Connecticut, speaking to you from beautiful Mead Park. And I want to speak to you today about 5 do's and don'ts for your serious injury case. So the first do is always look after and be careful with your health care and your recovery. Make that your first priority before anything. The legal case follows your health care case. So if you have to go to the hospital, if you have to go see a doctor, and your doctor says, go see this expert, follow your health care, your physician's advice at all times. That's number 1. Number 2, don't expect and don't ask your lawyer to manage your health care. Lawyers are not doctors. We're not trained in medicine, and we're not trained in healthcare management. In fact, be careful and be wary of lawyers who do get involved in managing healthcare. It is not our role, it's not an appropriate role for lawyers. Number 3 is don't ask your doctor to be your legal advocate. Just like lawyers aren't doctors, doctors aren't trained to be legal advocates. They aren't trained in civil procedure and how to manage complex, serious injury cases. The number 4th do is always mitigate your damages. Do mitigate damages. Be careful about your expenses. Be careful about managing your expenses. And do whatever you can, because the law says you have to do the best you can to limit your injury damages as well as your expenses. And then number 5, the 5th thing we want you to do is always document everything. That means keeping copies of everything, keeping copies of photos, keeping copies of emails, even text messages. Keep a journal if you think it's appropriate to keep a journal as to your experience post-accident. And always be very, very careful to keep all of your documents, all your records in one place. So those are your 5 do's and don'ts. Number 1, look after your health care. Number 2, don't ask your lawyer to be your healthcare manager. Number 3, don't ask your doctor to be your legal advocate. Number 4, mitigate damages. And number 5, document everything.